will be taxiing for just a few moments for your comfort, but most especially your safety. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. Carry on items properly stowed until our aircraft comes to a complete and final stop at our gate, and Captain Jared has turned off our fasten seatbelt signs. Before leaving us today, please check the area about you. Any carry-on items that you may have brought on board when you're